Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Monday.com. This is a super useful feature when you need to break down tasks into smaller manageable steps right within an item update, keeping everything organized in one place. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your board in Monday.com. Once you're in, you'll see all your current items listed. Now click on the name of any existing item where you'd like to add your checklist. This will open up a detailed view of that item on the right side of your screen. Next, click on the Updates tab. You'll find this tab just below the item name. The Updates section is where you can add comments, notes, and yes, checklists to keep track of smaller tasks within a larger item. It's essentially your communication hub for that specific item. Now click inside the text field or the update box. This is where you'll normally type a message or note, but instead of just typing text, we're going to add a checklist here. Look for the checklist icon in the rich text toolbar above the text field. It usually looks like a circled check mark or a list with checkboxes. Once you spot it, go ahead and click it. After clicking the checklist icon, you'll see a bullet point appear with a checkbox next to it. Type your first checklist item right next to that bullet. This could be anything from a subtask to a small action item you need to complete. Once you've typed your first item, press Enter to add more items. You can repeat this process for as many tasks as you need to include in your checklist. When you're done adding all your checklist items, click the Update button to save the checklist. This will post the checklist to the Items Updates section, making it visible to anyone who has access to that item. You can come back anytime to check off items as you complete them. Now, if you need a board-level checklist that applies across multiple items, there's an alternative approach using a checkbox column. On your board, click the plus button at the far right. This is where you add new columns to your board. In the column menu, search for checkbox or select it from the core columns section. Name the column something relevant like urgent or completed and click the check icon to add it to your board. Once the column is added, you can click the cells in that column to toggle checks on or off for each item. This gives you a quick visual overview of which items have been marked. And that's it. You've now created a checklist in Monday.com, whether it's within a single item update or as a column across your entire board. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.